friends, today I will share a beautiful story about true friendship and forgiveness. True friendship is not about never making mistakes but about understanding and forgiving each other. A story tells that two friends were walking through the desert. During their journey, they had an argument and one friend slapped the other in the face. The one who got slapped was hurt, but without saying anything, he wrote in the sand, "Today my best friend slapped me in the face." They kept walking until they found an oasis where they decided to take a bath. The one who had been slapped got stuck in the mire and started drowning, but his friend saved him. After he recovered from the near drowning, he wrote on a stone, "Today my best friend saved my life." The friend who had slapped and saved him asked, "After I hurt you, you wrote in the sand, and now you write on a stone. Why?" The other friend replied, "When someone hurt us, we should write it in the sand where the winds of forgiveness can erase it. But when someone does something good for us, we must engrave it in a stone where no winds can ever erase it." Moral of the story: don't value the things you have in life, value the people you have in your life.